Off we go to the CDTA Southern Terminus. You can get there two of various ways, by taking either the CDTA shuttle or the Crazy Cook shuttle. Here's two of the drivers, Cal and Timmy. Here we are, bumping along on our way out to the terminus. And here's our driver.
Yeah, there's a dispensary in Silver City.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Okay, say hey.
Hey.
Whoa. Oh, and Debbie too. Our driver Timmy took us to a few choice stops on our way to the monument. First was the stone chapel. Beautiful stone facade. Second was to the Hachita Ladies Rest Stop. And finally, to the scratched-in monument to poor Mr. Evans, who had the misfortune of insulting the cook and ended up with an axe in his head. Henceforth known as Crazy Cook. All right, I'm ready. There it is. There's the trail back there.
It's official. They dropped us off. There's no going back now.
There's no going back now. Everybody's gone. We have to go. And there's Mexico over there. See you down the trail.